In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add the currency field in Forminator forms in WordPress. To get started, first you need to install and activate this Forminator Forms plugin. I've already installed it and activated it, but if you need help installing the plugin, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now, to add the currency field in Forminator contact forms, simply hover over Forminator in the sidebar and click on the dashboard. This is the Forminator Forms window, and here you can create a new form by clicking on this Create button over here, or you can even edit an existing form here. In my case, I'm simply editing an existing form. This is the Form Builder area. Now, to add the currency field here, simply click on Insert Fields. From various fields here, simply look out for the currency field. Once selected, click on Insert Fields. In the pop-up here, you can configure various field-related settings, like you can edit the label name here. You can even edit the placeholder text. Under the Settings tab, you can make this field required or optional from here. You can customize the error message as well. You can select the currency from here as per your requirement. You can also restrict the value that users will enter in this field by setting up the minimum and maximum limit. Error messages can also be customized from here. You can also choose how you want to format the values of this field. Under the Calculations tab, you can choose whether to allow this field to be used in calculations or not. If enabled, the values entered into this field will then be used for calculations. Under the Styling tab, you can add some additional CSS classes to style your field accordingly. And under the Visibility tab, you can control the field visibility. Everything's up to you. Once done, click on the Apply button. You can see the field has been added here. Let's check the preview. You can see the currency field in action here. This is how easy it is to add a currency field in Forminator Forms in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.